The protective package shields the delicate silicon die from moisture, dust, vibration.
A single semiconductor wafer contains hundreds of identical microchips. During wafer dicing, precision diamond... Each silicon die is mounted onto a specialized substrate that provides both mechanical support and electrical connections for the finished processor.
The protective package shields the delicate silicon die from moisture, dust, vibration, and physical damage.
Every semiconductor package is trimmed and formed to ensure precise electrical connections and perfect compatibility with electronic devices. Every semiconductor chip undergoes a series of electrical tests to verify performance, stability, and reliability.
The approved chips enter the temperature-controlled burn-in chamber. Here, they undergo intense
Artificial
stress
intelligence
testing.
now performs the final visual inspection, identifying microscopic defects that are almost impossible for the human eye to detect. Every processor receives a unique identification code, allowing complete traceability throughout its entire life cycle. After passing every inspection, the finished processors are carefully prepared for worldwide distribution, ready to power. In this factory, thousands of advanced processors begin their journey to technology companies around the world, where they will power millions of electronic devices. Processors now become the heart of modern technology, delivering the computing power behind everything from personal computers to artificial intelligence. What began as discarded electronic waste has been transformed through advanced engineering into the powerful processors